Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Balqis Mariah I'm from DDT4 Network 1, and today I want to present about the practical task 3. So this is my topology. I have 3 router, 2 switch, and 2 this PC and this server, 3 server. So this server is PCA, and there's this PCC, this server 2, and server 1. So first I want to basic config is I have go to the switch one first. And then I have change the host name is enable to config t, and then host name is s1, and then no IP domain lookup. So in, and then copy run. After you save, you go to the S2. Do the same like a S1. So enable config t. So after config t, host name is R3. After that, no IP domain lookup and in. So copy run. So you have to save that. So now we move go to the R1. So for the R1 is enable and then config t. So host name is R1. So no IP domain lookup. So after that we have to put the IP address for the G0/1. So in this G0/1, and then so IP address is 192.168.1.1. So 255.255.255.0. So there is for the RG0/1. So then IP address 192.168. Okay. Sorry, I have a mistake then. This dot 11k. After that, we know short. Then we have put the another G00. So this is for the upgrade the iOS Cisco. So INTG0/0. So the IP address is I put 192.168.2.1. So the 255.255.255.0. So the no shut, and then so we no shut. After no shut, we go to the serial 000. So for the serial INT serial 0000, the IP address is 10.1 and 255.255.255.252, and then they have a clock rate, so I have to put the clock rate. So the clock rate is 64000. So shut and in. So save, copy, run, start. So after you save, if you go to the show run, you know that is safe or not. So I have host name, and then we have internet 00 and 01. So serial is put already. So that's for R1. After that, we go to the R2, CLI. So enable config t. So hostname R2. So no IP domain lookup, no IP domain lookup. interface S0/0/0. So this is 1, 10, 1, and 2. So the IP address is 0, 1, 10, 1, 1, 2, and the IP address, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. So there is no site. I have put the interface serial 001 int, so int serial/001. IP address is 10.2.2.2, so 255.255.255.252. And they have a cloud rate, so I have put the cloud rate is 64000. So that no shut in and zip. That we show. So there is S2, R2, and then I have a serial 000 and then serial 001 and cloud rate. Okay, that's safe. So after that we go to the R3. CLI. There is no. So enable 50. So the host name is R3. So after that, no IP domain. So I have a gigabit 0/1 int G0/1. So the IP address is 192.168.3.1, 192.168.3.1, and then 255.255.255.0. So there no check. So we go to the interface serial 001, 0/1, and then IP address is 10.2.2.1. So there are 255.255.255.252. No check. So in the for R3 we have a cloud, don't have a cloud rate, so we don't have to put the cloud rate. After in we go to the save that, so copy run start. So after that show run to know they are safe or not. So hostnet is R3, and then we have a serial 00, and we have a gigabit internet 01, and then we have a serial 001. So that's 221. So there is for R3. After that, we go to the PCA desktop and IP configuration. Now we put their IP address. This is for PCA. So the 192.168.1.3. So the subnet mask is the same, and then default gateway is 192.168.1.1. So that's for IP PCA, and then now we go to the command prompt and then config. IP config. So they are safe. So this is the IPv4 subnet mask and default gateway. So 192.168.1.3 and the default gateway 192.168.1.1. So that's for PCA. And now I go to the PCC IP configuration and 192.168.3.3. And then subnet mask is same, and then the default gateway is 192.168.1.3. dot 3.1. So after that, we go to the IP config, IP command prompt, and then IP config. So there is the IPv4 subnet my default gateway 192.168.3.3 and 192.168.3.1. So that's for PCC. So now we go to the server one, and then I have go to the desktop, and then IP configuration, and then I have put this 192.168.2.2, and then subnet mask is same, and then the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. So IP config. So this save that 192 IPv4 subject my default gateway. So the 192.168.2.2, and then the default gateway 192.168.2.1. So that is for the server one, and then I move to the server two, do the same like server one. I have put the IPv4 first, and then the new 192.168.4.2, and then subnet mask. The default gateway is 192.168.4.1, and then command prompt ipconfig. So this is my IPv4 subnet mask and default gateway. So I have a 192.168.4.2, and then the gateway 192.168.4.1. So that's for server 2. Now we go to back the server one. I have go to the service, and then TCTP. I have to this, and then I have copy that. I have go to the R1 to do the copy TFTP flash. Copy TFTP flash. So I put the IP address 192.168.2.2, and then I have to place the file name, please enter, then enter. I have to wait this. So after the finish, I have go to the config T, and then boot system flash. Boot system, system flash FL, and then paste back. Okay, and then after paste, we in there, and then save. Copy run start. So after you copy run start, and then reload, confirm, and then we have to wait that. So enable show version. Show version. Oh, sorry. Show version. So that is my show version, and then this is the system file, last reload type, last visualization, reset. Okay, that's all for the R1. And then I have to do the same. So I have go to the server 2, and then service the FTP, and then I have to copy this. So after that, I have go to the R3. After enable, copy, do the same, copy TFTP flash. So the IP address is 192.168.4.2. So I have to paste back yang okay after the enter. Just to have to wait that. This just wait a minute. Reload. So we have to wait that, and then we go to the enable and show version. then enable show version. Okay, there is my show version, and then all of them is good, and then more. So that's for the R3. Now we go to the step 4, configuration the OSPF routing protocol on R1, R2, and R3. So I have go to the R1 first, and then config. So the router is OSPF 101. So network is 192.168.1.0, and then 0, sorry, 192.168.1.0, and then 0.0.0.255, and area is 0. So after that, network 10.1.1.0, and then 0/0.0.0.3, and then the area is 0. Then 110. Okay. Oh no, network area. I have to 10.110.0.0.0.3 area. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have a mistake that the area spelling. Okay, after that I have to in and save. Copy. So to confirm that, I have to the show run. So if that are there or not, so the router OSPF. So my network 192.168.1.0.0.0.255. My area is 0, and next is 10.1.1.0.0.0.3. My area is 0. So now this is for R1. So we will go to the R2. So for the R2, enable config, and then the router OSPF 101, enter, and then network is 10.0.1.1.0, and then 0.0.0.0.3, sorry, 0.0.0.3, and then the area is 0. So, oh, sorry, I have a mistake again about the area scheme. So network 10.2.2.0, and then 0.0.0. Oh, 10.2.2.2.0.0.0.3, and then area 0. So after that, have to embed in, then copy run start to save that, and then to confirm that, I have to show run. So if all of them are there, so the router OSPF 101 is network 10.110.0.0.0.3 area 0, 10.2.2.0.0.0.3 area 0. So that's for the R2. Now we move to the R3. Config, and then we go to the router OSPF 101, and then network 192.168.1.0, 192.168.3.0 and then 0.0.0.255 and the area is 0. So network 10.2.2.0 after that 0.0.0.3 and area is 0. So after that I have to in this and save, copy run. After that we know have to the show run to see that. Okay, so the router OS PF101, my network is 192.168.3.0.000.255 and 192 and 10.2.20 and 0.0.0.3. So my area is 0. So after that, I have go to the step 6 is I have to ping the PC A go to the router 3. So I have go to the PCA and then command prompt and I have ping the 192.168.3.1. So the ping are successful and then now I go to the PCC command prompt ping the 192.168.192.168.3.1. So the ping are successful. Now I go to the step 7. So for the step 7 configuration, the encryption password. So my encryption password is, so now we go to the R1 and then 150 security password mean like 10 and then enable algorithm type is scripted secret Cisco 12345. So the username of admin 01 and the algorithm type is scripted script secret admin 01 pass admin 01 pass. So that is for R1 and then I have go to the R3. Do the same like R1 and then completely security password mean like 10 and then enable algorithm type is script secret secret Cisco 12345 and then the username admin 01. So admin 01 and then algorithm type is secret admin 01 pass. Okay, that is for the step 7 configure and encryption password. So now we go to the step 8, configure the console line. So we go to the R1 and then the line console. Line console is 0 and then login the local. So login local. After that, we go to the login local and then exist times out 50 and then synchronize login synchronize. Sorry, login login the synchronize. So after that we exit. Okay, do the same like R1. So we go to the R3 and then we do the line console 0 and then login local login local. Okay, after login local we exist times out 50 and then login synchronize and then exit. So after that we have go to the configuration SSH server. So we do in the R1 batch. So for the IP domain name IP domain name is CCNA security.com. So after that crypto key generate RSA generate keys modulus 1024. So now IP SSH is IP SSH version 2 and then line PTY 04 and then login local. So after that exit times out times out is 50. So transport input SSH. Then after we copy run stack. So now we have to save that. Now we go to the R3. We do the same like login screen synchronize. After exit, now we go to the SSH server. So I have to go to the IP domain name. So CCNA security ccnasecurity.com, and then crypto key, generate RSA to generate keys, modulus 1024. So that after that, IP SSH version 2, and then line BTY04, login local. After that, increase times up, times out 05. Sorry, 50, access time of 50, and then transport input SSH. So after that, we in that. So copy run. So now, after you finish to save, so we go to the part 2. So for the part 2 is configuration a site-to-site VPN with the Cisco. So I have ping first. So the configuration IP set VPN and the setting on R1 and R2 and verified connection from the R1 and LAN to the R3. So I have go to the PCA and then ping, go to the command prompt, and then I have ping 192.168.3. So the ping is successful. So after that, I go to the enable IKEM policy on the R1 and R3. So I have go to the R1 back and then config so crypto ISA KMP enable. So after enable, I have to crypto ISA KMP policy 10. And then after that, I have to okay, there is for the crypto for the ISA policy 10, and then I have to go to the so after that, this is configure the IKE phase 1 ISAKMP policy on R1 and R2. So after I do the crypto ISAKMP policy 10, and then I take the HASH HA. After that, out to authentications and pre-share. Okay, and then group 5. This is have to change. They have to do a group 5, not group 14. So group 5. So lifetime 3600, and then encryption AES 256. That in. So that's for the R1. After that, we go to the R3. So for the R3, completely, and then crypto ISAK and P enable. So the that ISAK and P policy, and so we have put the hash SHA, and then authentications pre-share, and then go by. For the lifetime is 3600, and then encryption AES 256 and E. So there is 4 R3, and after that verify the IKE policy with the show crypto ISK MP policy command. So for the R1, so we go to the R1 and then type the show crypto, sorry, C R Y P O I S A K M P policy. So that's for the R1. So global IKA policy. So there is the hash algorithm, encryption, and advanced encryption. So this for R1, and then we will go to the R2. Show crypto ISA KMP policy. So it's same like R1. So this is global IK policy. So there's encryption algorithm, hash algorithm, authentic method, and lifetime. So that's for the R3. So we go to the step for configuration pre-share key. So in the R1, we go to the R1 first, and then type crypto crypto ISA KMP key Cisco 123, and then address is 10.2.2.1. Oh, crypto ISA KMP key Cisco 123. Sorry, I have to. Sorry, there's one mistake. So we have to complete first, and then crypto crypto ISA KMP key Cisco 123, and then address is 10.2.2.1. So after R1, we go to the R3. So R3 config, and then do the same like crypto, just change the IP address. So crypto and ISAKMP key Cisco 123 address 10.1.1 sorry 10.1.1.1. Okay, there is for the step 4. Now we go to the step 5, configuration the IP6 transform set a lifetime. So now we go to the step 5 is we go to the R1 and then type crypto sorry, IPsec transform set 50. Okay, so this is a crypto IPsec transform 15. So I choose ESP ASP. They have a menu that. So after that, we have choose we type a crypto P50 and ESP dot AES dot 256 ESP slash SHA slash HMAC, enter, and then X. So after that, we do same like this for the R3. Go to the R3 and then config T, and then crypto IPsec transformation set 50. Oh, sorry. So after that, the same for the R3 set ESP dot slash AES 256 ESP slash SHA slash HM is so after that. So this for the R3. So now I have to do the C. So I have to do the crypto back to the R1, and then I have to do the crypto complete, and then this crypto IPAC sorry, oh my bad, crypto 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 IPsec security exceptional lifetime second 18000. So there is for the R1. So I have go to the R3 to same like R1. So quantity and then crypto IPsec is security association lifetime second 18000. Sorry, 000. Okay. After that, we go to the step C, define the interesting traffic, and then we type the access list 101. So we go to the R1 back, type the access list 101, permit IP is 192.168.1.1.0. and then 0.1.0, and then 0.0.0.255. So after 192.168.3.0, then 0.0.0.255. So I have to check first. 192.168.1.0 and then 0.0.158.3.0. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a 255. Okay. And so that is for the R1. Now I go to the R3. Same like R1, but change the IP address. So access list 101 permit. IP is 192.168 or 192.168.3.0, and then 0.0.0.255, and then 192.168.1.0, and then 0.0.0.255. So I have to check first. 192.168. Okay. So after that, I have to create the apply and crypto map. So I have go to the R1 first, R1 back. So to that, config. So for the crypto map, CMAP 10 IPsec ISAKMP. So after that, enter. Okay, after that we go to the match address 101. Match address 101. So set so for the set is per 10.2.2.1. After that, set PFS group 5, set PFS group 5. Okay, set PFS group 5. Set transform set 15. Set transform set 15. After that, set security exhaustion line time second 1900, and then after that exit. So there is for the R1, and then we go to the R3. For the R3 is to the config, then crypto map CMAP, crypto map CMAP, then IPsec ISKKMP, and then match address 101 MATC, MATCH match address 101. So set pure PER 10111. So set PFS. Set PFS is group OUP group 5. And then the set transport transport set is 15, and then the set security assertions are lifetime. Second is 900, and then after that we have the X. Sorry. So after you exit, now we go to the apply the crypto map to the interface. So we go to the back R1. So R1 type interface 0000 interface 0000, and then crypto map CMAP CMAP. Okay, the ISAK MP is on. So after do that, we go to the R3 and then do same like the R1. So just interface serial 0/0/1, and then the crypto map CMAP. Oh, it is on for the AKMP. So after that, I forget to the in R1, so I have to in first. So there is for the crypto map interface. Now I have go to the task 2. Verify the IPsec configuration on R1 and R2. So I'll go to the R1 back and then type the show crypto CRYPTO IPsec transform TRA and transform sec of IPsec TRANSF. Sorry, I have mistake from. Okay, so after this is the show crypto IPsec transform set. So now we go move the R3, do the same like the R1, show the crypto, show crypto IPsec, sorry, IPsec transform, sorry, sec. Okay, so that is for the show crypto IPsec transform set. Now we go to the use the show crypto map command to display the crypto maps that will be applied the router. So back to the R1 back and then type show crypto map. Show crypto map. So this is a crypto map CMAP and IPsec. So the peer is 10.2.2.2.1. So the current peer is 10.2.2.1. The security assertion lifetime. So now we go to the R3, do the same like the R1, show crypto map. So same like R1, they just peer 10.1.1.1 and then current peer 10.1.1 security assertion lifetime. So now we go to the verify the IPsec and operation. So the task 3 step 1, we go to the show crypto ISKMP to SA. So now step 3, go to the R1 and then type the show crypto ISAKMPSA. So the IP before crypto ISAKMPSA, I have this and then do the again, but this is for the step 2, display IPsec security instruction. So I have to create show crypto IPsec SA. Show crypto IPsec SA. So that is for the show crypto IPsec SA. They have many of them. So now we go to the step 3, the generate some interest in test traffic and observe the result. So I have go to the R1 to the R3 interface IP address 10.221. So I have to ping R1, ping go to R3. So R1, ping go to the R3, ping 10.2.2.1. So that's success. And then after that, I have to type the show crypto ISKMPSA. Show crypto ISAKMPSA. So after that, I ping R1 ping go to the 192 .168.3.1. So I have to ping again 192.168.3.1. So the ping are successful, and then I have to show crypto ISKMPSA again. So crypto ISAKMPSA. So con ID is not status. So after show crypto ISK, I have to the issue the debug IPOSPF hello command. You show COSPF hello packet passing between R1 and R3. So I go to the R1, just type a debug IPOSPF hello. So that's a invalid input. So this Cisco do not support a debug IPOSPF. So after that, I have ping. I go to the step 4 to generate some interesting test traffic and observe the results. So I have to type the ping, enter that the IP protocol, just enter, and then target IP address is 192.168.3.1. Enter, and then the repeat code is enter times of enter, and then the extent of command just y, and then source address of interface I type the 192.168.1.1. So enter. So now I have success. Okay. After you success, and then I go to the reissue the show crypto ISKMPSA. So type show crypto. So CRYPTO crypto ISAKMPSA. So this 10.2.2.1 and SRC.10.111 as state or QMIDLE. So the con ID 1042 as log status is active. So after that, I have to ping PCA to the PCC. If the ping are success, issue show crypto IPsec command. How many packets have a transfer between the R1 and R2? So ping PCA to PCC. So first go to the PCA and then ping go to the PCC. So what is PCC is, I forget the IP address. Okay, PC ping 192.168.3.3. So the the ping are successful, and then I have go to the R1, and then type again show crypto IPsec SE. Show crypto IPsec SE. So that's all. The interface serial 000, and then the transform and the local of ENDP. So the outbound and outbound ASA, SPI. So that is for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.